Alrighty, what's going on today, guys? Today I want to talk to you about the Tascam DP-006. It's basically a little portable multi-track recorder, which I found is very cool. And just like such a nice thing to have if you're a songwriter, if you're someone who's constantly on the go. It's really, really cool. So yeah, I work for a little music library out here in LA. We record songs for TV and film. I'm constantly having to think of ideas, and so this is cool because when I'm on the go, I can continue laying down ideas, continue laying down songs, whatever, and I don't have to worry about having all my stuff with me. So yeah, you can easily record on here. You can loop on here, which is really nice, and just the overall sound on this thing is like really, really nice, really great. So I'll kind of take you through everything and what's on here. So to begin with, you have two condenser mics that are built into the front of the unit. As you can see, right here, right here. So essentially these mics are modeled after the DR series microphones, which sound pretty amazing themselves. And I would say these sound pretty good too, especially definitely not what you would expect. I expected them to be sort of like a MacBook quality, of microphones, where it's just like you get the pops and like the weird noises and everything like that. These are really nice. They pick up things well, especially when you listen to it back in headphones. You're like, oh wow, okay. I've recorded vocals, acoustic guitar, whatever. They sound really clear, really crisp. It's obviously not professional quality stuff. It's not anything I would ever send in, but for laying down ideas, it's really amazing. And you don't need any other equipment to do it, which is like the biggest thing. You can really do it from anywhere. In use, really, really easy to use. Very, very user friendly, which is cool right out of the box. I didn't have any hassle trying to figure out how to make everything work. There are dedicated knobs on here for just about anything. You have your inputs, all levels right here. Master, you have all your tracks right here. You can easily pan them as well, which is pretty cool. And then you mess with the levels, and then you can record each track. And then you have your home and menu buttons and everything like that. But the cool thing is there aren't that many menus on here, which is that can be such a hassle, especially with a lot of the older multi-track recorders. You had to go through tons of menus to get to where you needed to be, and it just felt like by the time you got done figuring that all out, you didn't even want to record anymore. So it's cool that they have that. Also comes with undo and redo functions on here, which basically are great for looping and recording. And especially if you're doing something that's maybe brand new and you feel like you might make a mistake, it's okay. It's not going to be permanent, and if you have to erase it, you're not going to end up erasing everything else that you just did prior. So that's the really, really nice thing about this Tascam that they built in. It's portable. Obviously, one of the reasons I got it's because it's super portable. I've taken it in my backpack on the plane. I've taken it camping. I've taken it a lot of different places. It doesn't take up much space. It weighs less than a pound. You can really easily just carry this thing around anywhere, and it's not a hassle whatsoever. Lastly, you have the two input jacks, which are right here on the back. It's kind of nice that they added two. I haven't done it yet, but you could realistically record with an external microphone or a guitar, acoustic electric maybe, plug those in and just hit it, which is really nice. I've actually hooked up my small synth in here as well because it has a line out. That sounded pretty cool. You could also probably connect an iPad or something as well, as long as you had a 1/4-inch adapter. But yeah, overall this thing is super awesome. I could really go on about it and go super in depth, but just want to give you kind of a nice little overview. If you're recording, I would highly, highly recommend this little thing for getting, ideas down when it doesn't seem like you can. Alrighty, take it easy, you guys. Have fun.